nengi yo idangi matla jingdom kaka ya pi ko ma hade kari khasi kala we kari jong i ka shong hakik santi jong pi lepin chu idea ket jong pi nong we ba un shimti but step corridor happy la I do down to ring what nom pin corridor ya la de yo ba pin hap e ha jing ba be what nga phagi jing ta me yo be ki corridor pin shudi namar ka jai ka khong ja ka puta ki kli ma pi ka kne ka long ka jing sa wa ka patur shish ka ki ba sam la what the class nam what no kon tham ka jing snang snang dok ni pa do so khasi kan thai ka mi so ma pani la ka kur la ka ja ka ta ka le tingi ha bat ka ya ban ya da ka no so kan nong lai a ka khasi tong in yas no sa rong lek lan de mu la ngin ai cha ka shong tari tempo ba dok bai uduma pis la ka on khili tong hina kha do ba do khom la ka ton roi la jong ka ying ba shash ngan yo ba la khong kong ka jan ka sha ka ba ya da bu rong I phu ba di phing ha ro kam na jong
wow, Shilling is better, man. Hey. Hello everyone. What's up, everyone? What's up, guys? Khasi people, Meghalaya people, Shillong people. We are back again, and today I brought another new faces. You can see my new friends. Yeah, every week or every day we'll invite new friends to watch Khasi song, and we will see their point of view to the Khasi rappers or the musician. So today we have one music here. Suggested video is a Khasi Female Cypher. So today, guys, we are going to react to khasigirls, only females. They are the rappers in Shillong, but they speak Khasi. Okay? So Khasi is a like tribe, Gabila, right? It's a tribe, and their language is also Khasi. Yeah, so we're going to check out, guys. Make sure show some love before everything. In case it's your first time here, this is Gabsgabitv from South Sudan. Welcome.
What's up, guys? I'm Asman Zaid from Sudan.
Yes.
What's up, guys? Let us enjoy. My name is Mahmoud from Sudan.
Yes, we are here to enjoy, entertain, and have the good vibe. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget also subscribe, join the African family.
Everything.
Let's go. Do it. In this video, there is 4 guys. Four guys, they are all rappers.
Halamar wing a sukya, the way you can up some love. Shahid and Hajali, just you can ask a mabali, but Raki bucket, Yabali, but can take it, think him, I just seek a separate, Habaklet, just then Ulong Shuang, Naju, yourself kitchen, Pratang, I'm so to Shuka, Akab Shisha, Chandranki Tiana Lani, tape and Roya Stambakala, Abali Shishang, is shot it now, Hakajin Tala, Imadio Uble, Rung in Berwaning, your Idangi, Matla Jingdom, Kaka Yapiko Ma, Hade Kari Kasi, Kala Wakari, Jongi, Shong Hakik Santi, Jongi, Lepin Chu idea, Ket Jong Pi Nong Way Ba Un Shimti. But step corridor happy la I do down to ring. What nom pin corridor ya la de yo ba pin hap e ha jing ba be what nga phagi jing ta me yo be ki corridor pin shudi namar ka jai ka khong ja ka puta ki kli ma phi namar phi de ka ma ha de kari khasi.
Second guy.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Show us.
Colors on the beat. Snap ko para kan thai ngan ong ai kan tin ha jing bot ha pi ngan nhai no jing shop ka jong nga ka ta hi da to jing shisha ha pi man ta ka wan jigo ble na jong ula I bet ya pi yang ala wei bangin jet ni don ka ho ni don ka bot ni nim lai lo kam sha kam bot kom ko no ni ru ke nam ya don kena ba sin kor ni abdur shalor tin ka ong ka thai ka ba shi bot jing star ka bot ka ta ka lo ka bot ka kala om ba man chwa mi no to mi no om tang ha ying sha ja ka kon sam la jong im be jong I pa kan san dor hi ka la ka jong ka hi ma. It's Habzi, she won't get jinkala, Kapataki, Baban King, Akakan Am Tibia, Kala Wang, Shummer Wang, Prakaki, Don Air, must play and it won't have Kokabok, Chabaiki, Jing Tambori, Debabi Dangi, Kibayos, Ruga, Nungi, Gat Shaba, Pine, Pakajin, Kasi Jongi, Kadab, Stioki, Onjing like a Kiva, Mr. K, Kayo, Kuna, Rapate, Kachabangi, Pai, Butang, Sudan, Simkate, Jongi, Suki, Prakip Kenya, Simba, Piki, Bakora, Habaki, Tepkantaki, Baki, Batraborki, Tamborki, Bredyaki, Dala, Oh, Kajing Sumat, Kajing Babor, Galang, per take up night, Kakabon, Ray on Don Bayang, when I bought Banyada, Ukut Kasi Bakador, Kamuta, you can't have him no Banyada, Happy, Hajing Sushake, Piong Abadon, Boru Bakat at Bor, Katin Kabakodor, Village at door. Snapกันเองก็ลองกันจริงสาวากับประตูชิชกอกีบราสำลาวัดเป็นแคลสน้ำวัดนคนทำกันจริงสนางสนางดอกนีฟ้าดูสุดคาซีกันไทยกะรีสูมาปนีแล้วก็พูดแล้วก็จานการต้องการเล่นเรื่องนี้ฮับบันยายบันเนได้กันน้องสักคนทันน้องไล่อากอดคาซีตรงนี้ยักษ์น้องสรองเล็กลันในมูลานินไอจะกระชงตารีเต็มโปบัดดอกใบอุดุมาพิเศษก็อุ้มคิลิต้องหินาคราตัวบัดดอกคมแล้วก็ต้นรอยละจงกายิงบาชชงานยกละคงปงกาจันกระชากกับใบยาดาบุรมอีผู้บัดอีพิงหารุกำลังจง
Wow, she did it better, man. Hailey. Okay. No, but I love that. Whom do you think did it the best?
Yeah.
Whom do you think?
Hailey.
You?
Hailey.
Hailey.
Yeah.
What about you? Who did
Yeah,
it?
I think Black Lima.
Black man. The first one,
Black
right?
man. Black
The
man.
first girl.
Yeah,
Yes,
Black
I
man.
like voice.
The voice is
Yeah,
nice,
because
right?
I'm more-
The movement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, the rip is same.
The trip for
Yeah.
who is your favorite among these four girls?
Ali.
Hailey. Okay. Also me, I'm supporting Hailey, guys.
Hailey, yeah.
You know what I like about
Yeah,
this girl?
yeah, yeah.
Like I just love the confidence, the way she's rapping.
Yes.
Yeah, like she has the energy, right? She's so confident, and I even like the hairstyle.
Yeah, the African.
She's doing African hairstyle, man. I love that.
Yeah.
Love from
You like-
Africa, man.
Africa.
Hailey, you did it. You did it.
Like
You did it.
Lima.
You're the best.
I like her
But
voice.
yeah, the first one
Voice,
also.
yeah, voice.
Black. She's called Black Man.
Black
Yeah,
man.
Black man.
Black man, yeah.
She's also okay. What I'm going to say about Black Man, she's like, you know, Eminem, guys. She's the female Eminem
Yeah,
because
yeah,
see,
yeah.
she was rapping so fast
Yeah, so.
and so continuous, like she didn't stop even.
Yeah, yeah.
She was rapping so fast.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Both
Hailey,
of them. Both
huh?
of them do.
Yeah, both of them. Actually,
both of them, yeah.
actually, like
Yeah, but
all of
it's
them,
my
they are
favorite,
good.
yeah.
All of them, they are good.
Yeah.
Just that we don't understand the language, right?
Yeah.
We don't know what they were saying.
What he said, yeah.
Yeah, but we are saying according to the energy,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
vibe,
Yeah.
the movement.
Yeah, movement, yeah.
Yeah, they really did better, guys. And
Yeah.
tell us who did the best. Who is
Yeah,
your
who-
favorite
Yeah.
among those
Comment,
four
yeah.
girls? And whom do you think is the best? Like because in so far we reacted to so many people. There is one famous guy. It's called One Bar.
One bar.
One Bar. You don't know about him, but we already reacted. And there is another guy. It's called One Ju.
One Jew.
Yeah, they are famous musician also in Shillong,
Shillong.
Meghalaya.
Okay.
Meghalaya. So those are it's our first time also to see those girls.
Yeah.
So tell us, guys, who is the best female singer in Meghalaya, right?
Yeah.
For me, Hailey is the best.
Hailey.
Hailey, man, tell us who is the
Yeah,
best.
yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, subscribe.
Yes, our peace to
Peace to Meghalaya.
Yeah.
Love from Africa. Join the African family now.